Hey everyone, and welcome back. Now that we've finished looking at pandas, we'll move on to looking at Matplotlib, which is the first data visualization library that we'll look at. In this lecture, we'll go over what it is and then how to install it. Matplotlib is a plotting library for Python, and it's one of the most popular options available. It allows us to create static, dynamic, as well as interactive visualizations, and not only that, the other plotting libraries that you might use, such as Seaborn, which we'll look at in the next section, are also built on top of this library. So the syntax between Matplotlib and the other plotting libraries will be pretty similar. One of the main reasons why it's so popular is that it allows us to customize every possible aspect of our plots. So we're able to create some really complex as well as some really professional looking plots. It was also designed to resemble the plotting capabilities of the MATLAB programming language. Matplotlib integrates really well with pandas and NumPy, which we'll see as we look at some different examples throughout this section. And here are just a few examples of some of the different types of charts that you can make with Matplotlib. If you're interested in having a look at any more examples, you can find a whole bunch of them over on the Matplotlib gallery, which is on their website. I've attached a link to this in the resources for this lecture. And finally, we'll quickly go over how to install Matplotlib. Like the other libraries we've looked at, this library comes pre-installed with the Anaconda distribution. But if for whatever reason you don't have it with your version or need to reinstall it, you can just say conda install matplotlib. Or alternatively, if you're not on Anaconda, you could just use pip install matplotlib. In the next lecture, we'll take a look at the fundamentals of this library, including how to import it, as well as how to create our first visualization. So I hope you're excited for this section, and I'll see you all in the next lecture where we'll get started.